This session was of robotics because I learned how to build a robot.
Today we learn about how to make water rocket, and it was very fun.
The best session was building a water rocket.
So the best moment for me was like the look of their face, like the look in their face, right? When they were able to successfully create the robot or even the water pump, water rocket. So like their look of excitement, their look of achievement was the best moment for me.
So it was kind of very hot, but then at the same time it was giving me the vibe to be active all the time. So and then at the same time, like when I was teaching, mentoring those students, like I should say, like they were so much interested. So I believe like even in the coming years also, like to conduct more kind of this event, so that like there would be like in the coming years more numbers will turn up, and then I believe like they would see their future, like what type of person they would be becoming. So yeah, that's the best moment what I could think about.
Okay, for me the best moment was like seeing the students, their eagerness and willingness like to learn something new about the tech. That's the best moment like I've seen from the place.